No. The hell? Where the hell? Where the hell am I? Jason, you've always wanted to be on the most subscribed list on YouTube, but your videos just plain suck. Instead of making videos just for fun, you try to make videos that you think everyone wants to see, even copying the styles of Renato and Sut Steve. Now is your chance to get all the subscribers you want. You have 20 minutes to get 1 million subscribers. If you don't, the TV to your left will turn on and the Paris Hilton sex tape will start playing and will continually play until you die. Let the game begin. Fuck! Ugh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at me. I'm the masked guy who interviews people. Oh, I don't know. I'm Bog Sports Beal. You know. Oh, hi, I'm Lisa Nova and I got big boobs. Oh, look at them, my big boobs. Hi, I'm Notes. Yeah. Notes. Okay. Alright, please, and... Three? I started off at 16. How did I get down to 3? Guess there's only one thing left to do.
Yellow.
Dude!
Ah, what?
I need you to log into YouTube using all 999,903 accounts and subscribe to me. I need 1 million subscribers or else a fate worse than death awaits me.
Okay.
Come on.
Well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button one more time, I'm gonna have to open up a 6-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you?
You failed. Now you must be punished.
Wait a minute. That voice. I know that voice. Cookie?
Enjoy Paris Hilton.
What? Why?
Game over.
Like, oh my god, I'm totally having sex.